Sunny is American model, gamer, online personality, brand influencer, and Instagram sensation who is popularity known for superheroes such as Spider-Man, the Black Widows, etc. Born on October 26, 1998 in the United States, Sunny is 25 years old as of when this content was composed. Her birth sign is Scorpio. She was born and raised in the United States. Sunny became active on social media in January 2021 on IG and other related social media platforms. She often does characters from games such as Kitana from Mortal Kombat on eponymous Instagram account. She featured cosplay portraits, informal selfies, and lifestyle content. She has generated more than 4.7 million followers on Sunny Rioxo account. She has popularity known on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok as Cyber Kitty, and many of her looks involve cats. One of her earliest Instagram photos is a Michelle Pfeiffer's interpretation of Catwoman on Twitter, now known as X. She wrote on her profile sometimes I dress like a human. She has over 740,000 followers who are glued to her content on TikTok where she does her many of her lip sync videos on her cyberkitty.xo channel have received more than 2.1 million views. Sunny has more than 4 million followers and 45 million likes on the video sharing platform. Pink Miami and Sunny are two famous models in the United States. In her modeling career, she has modeled for brands like PSD Underwear, Chain, Moe Followers, and more.